Hey everyone, this is Rakib. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got this delivery of an Acer laptop. I ordered in Flipkart. Today I got this delivery, and this guy is delivery boy. He's just make sure that his product is physically damaged or not. And if he finds any kinds of physical damage, he won't deliver to me, and he'll take back to the warehouse whatever he's taking this product from. And today I just wanna tell about these features and functionalities about this laptop. Right now he is making sure with the product ID mentioned in the on the box stick to the bill, and he's making sure matching. He's trying to match with the Flipkart account the system is using. Is just matching with the product ID with the database he has. Okay, so he's just making tick yeah pass. Right now he's just making tick pass options there and reject option there, and he's just making pass over there like this parts this is able, I mean, should we pass this product or reject this product to be delivered. Okay, he's just cutting this box out now because you can see the box is wrapped, the outer wrap or box, and it's pretty cool boxing over there, and there is no chance to get damaged physically while they're taking to my home. And the box is this brand box. He's just making sure that the seal is correctly sealed or not, or whether it's open already. He's just now he's just opening the box, the brand box. This is written on the Acer on it correctly, and it's looking pretty cool. And it's just telling me like just check the physical damage or not. He's just handing over the laptop to me and just let me check. Okay, just let me check once. Okay, it's awesome, guys. I'll show you. I mean, I'll just make one more video closer to this laptop, and you guys will enjoy the how it glossy looks and sexy. Okay, so it's awesome. I loved it. Actually, I was in love with this product while I was wishlisted into Flipkart. It was quite a day, and it was wishlisted in my wishlist card. Then I ordered this. 50,000 grands, 55 grands, like, yes. Okay, I'm just checking it. Okay, now it's passed. There's no physical damage or not. Okay, so there's no physical damage. Okay, I can accept this product. Now the challenge is I'll have to turn it on, and if there is any software related issue or any port kind of issue, the fan is working or not. There are couple of fans. I mean, you guys can see these two fans over there. One is GPU fan and one is CPU fan. Those are working or not. I'll just check it out. Okay, and it's a port. I'll be checking the ports and all, USB ports and all. Okay, guys, this is the laptop box. Once again, I'm just gonna doing this video one more just so guys you can enjoy it properly in this video. You guys can see I'm doing this video on my phone, and this camera is not that bad. You can enjoy the whole whole video. Actually, I'm recording this in the 4K resolution, so you guys can enjoy it on a laptop or any kind of big display on it. Well, first of all, this is the charger. Okay, let me give this a review about this charger. This is the thing I'm opening. This is the power cord. You can see, you guys all are aware of it. What is this? Okay, this the charger, and put it inside. And this one is the adapter, which is Chiconi power technology. This brand 135 watt. Yes, this is what it is, 135 watt. And there are some safety marks and over there on the bottom side of it. I'm not gonna mute the background sound while I'm opening and unboxing this, some noise over there, but you guys can enjoy the opening sound of it. There are a few papers. There is a international brand warranty card, maybe, I don't know. This is a setup, how setup initially. These are the setup brochure, or maybe, I don't know, I don't need to read it out. And this one is a brand warranty card, I think. Yes, and first of all, there was mentioned in the setup manual, we have to connect the charger with the laptop first for the first time to make it turn it on. Okay, so I'm doing the so. Okay, let me do this. I'm making first forward this video, this part. Here you can see in the tiny letters is written Aspire right there. Okay, as you can see guys, here we have two fans over there, and these are the ventilation spike lightings, and all the fans, the hot air are coming, coming or going through somewhere. Yes, there must be the processor's unit, and these are coming out there, this ventilation system. This is how the laptop becomes cool. And here we have the speaker, output speaker, as you can see. Here one more, and another one is here. Yeah. This is some stickers all over there. This is HDMI port, one is RJ45, as you can see. Okay, there is 3 USB port also, and the ventilations and the charging port and all. Here we go. Let's open it up. We're gonna see how it looks like. How's the keyboard and the touchpad. Oh wow, I just loved it, guys. The keys are so, you'll enjoy when you will touch the keys. I don't know. Wow, it is like 180 rotatable. Yes, I don't think so it's gonna give me some profits. I don't know, but it's a feature. Okay, here we go. There are some stickers. So Ryzen processors, and the NVIDIA graphics card, speakers. I'm gonna connect the charger, connect to the power, because first time if I want to turn it on, I'll have to connect to the charger. So here we go. Let's see. Let me make sure the power jack is properly inserted or not. Actually, it's moving around. Okay. For final view, you guys can see that I have already set up this laptop. Today it's Saturday, 18th of December. Okay, this is AMD, I think. Yes, this is AMD Ryzen sticker for 5000 series, and GeForce GTX, the NVIDIA graphical sticker. And here we have the Aspire 7 model number and narrow bezel display, and of course there is backlit, as you can see. I'm going to show you that. Okay, yeah, it's pretty useful while you're using this at night. You turn it on or off as you want. Wi-Fi 6 and HDMI port. Yes. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll wait for next video.